In this video, we'll cover pause assignments, including how to pause and resume an assignment and what students experience when an assignment is paused. With pause assignments, teachers have the ability to temporarily prevent all students from continuing work on a released assignment to reteach instruction and resume access later. How to pause an assignment. Go to the Assignments tab under My Courses and locate the assignment. Select the triple dots. Select Pause Assignment. If the assignment is open when paused, a message displays notifying the student that the assignment has been paused. The assignment appears in the Assign tab and is labeled as paused on the student homepage. When you're ready to resume an assignment, follow these steps. Go to the Assignments tab under My Courses and locate the assignment. Select the triple dots. Select Resume Assignment. Once the teacher selects Resume Assignment, the assignment appears as In Progress on the Assign tab of the student homepage, and students can continue their work. Pause assignments is a great tool for teachers to manage student progress and support instruction during an assignment.